The police high command has ordered a top-level probe into a mass shooting in Savlamar, Westmoreland this morning. 5 people were injured as gunmen opened fire on a party. The security forces have increased their presence in the area as they work to apprehend the perpetrators. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson is in the parish and filed this report.
It's really business as usual for most people here in Savlamar, just going about their usual Saturday activities. But it is in stark contrast to the hell that broke loose here for several persons who were trying to enjoy themselves.
The young lady who helped me in the bar, she called me. So I come over to her. When I walk over to her, she said, I'm in the shop for something. I go in the shop and come back out. But I reach right here, so I hear the gunshot them. But I never, I know shooting, nobody get no shot, I feel like a salute.
But it wasn't a salute. 2 men on a motorcycle armed with handguns opened fire on the patrons at the event. It is not clear what motivated the attack, but the police theorize 1 person was the target. In total, 5 persons were shot. We spoke with one of the victims. She had a bullet graze her side. She says she feels happy to be alive.
I run off. And after I run off, I wipe my face and I see blood on my hand. I see blood on my hand. Then I feel my side start burning. I look, I grab up my side and realize I'm getting shot.
The event last evening was an approved event. The promoter was able to secure a permit for the party. And in fact, that is due in part to the absence of criminal activity in this general area for the past few weeks. Now, these party promoters in the area, they're hoping that what unfolded last evening does not impact their ability to secure permits in the coming weeks.
Me living in the checkpoint area 2-way. I ask permission if you keep it around here. Then you say no, then you can't grant me. So come I get the okay if you keep it up here.
You they not behave themselves. You they need a cheer, they need a work. And then like the people and survive in them party. The country needs to upgrade the youth and get to some work on them thing, you know. Because the youth they need work on them thing. Because hustle something. Because it don't make no sense to say I'm gonna try to teach your brothers and sisters. Because all I want family I try.
Reporting from Savlamar in Westmoreland, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.